Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Bulger, one of the attending physicians at Southwest Pain Group. When patients come to see me, they'll frequently tell me they saw a pain doctor. And when I ask them what kind of doctor, they'll say, well, I don't know, a pain doctor. Now, why is it that they don't know what kind of doctor it is? I think it's because there's confusion about this. Let's talk about it. There's an explosion of interest in pain today, and pain ends up being one of the most common reasons a patient sees a doctor today, even more common than the cold. So it makes sense that various kinds of specialties have become interested in it. So today, when you open the paper, go on the web, or listen on the radio, you hear about pain management from chiropractors, acupuncturists, physical therapists, trainers, psychiatrists, podiatrists, physiatrists, neurologists, etc. So what is a pain doctor? Simply put, a pain doctor is an anesthesiologist who's done a fellowship, which is a specialized training in pain blocks and medication management. And his whole interest and role is diagnosing and treating your pain. Are you ready to talk? Then we're ready to listen. At Southwest Pain Group, we're board-certified, fellowship-trained pain specialists helping real people like you every day find solutions.
State-of-the-art solutions, fellowship-trained physicians. It makes a difference at Southwest Pain Group.